Until They Forget is a 15 to 25-minute narrative game developed for the brief Simulation for Cognitive Bias Training. Rather than teaching the player how to correct a bias, it puts them inside the pleasure of committing one. Across 6 acts and a finale, the player repeatedly turns incomplete memories of the dead into simple, comforting myths.
Don't ask me. I wouldn't know her. They're all still here. Let your eye fall on someone.
The first dead family member is Grace Hale, who died after donating part of her liver to save her twin sister, Ava. Grace cannot speak for herself. The player can only listen to the people who survived her. Hovering reveals each witness's cleanest public memory. Digging deeper exposes fear, guilt, and contradiction. A trait becomes available only when fragments from different witnesses appear to support it. The central ritual maps directly onto the 4 quadrants of the Cognitive Bias Codex. Too much information becomes selective overhearing. Not enough meaning becomes the assembly of traits from fragments. The pressure to act becomes the forced choice of exactly 2 traits. Finally, the problem of what to remember becomes enshrinement. 2 details are preserved, while everything else is buried. The choice is real, but tightly authored. Every pair converges on one of no more than 3 pre-written gods. The result is not a portrait of Grace, but a propaganda image of what the group needs her to have been. Once the poster rises, the witnesses repeat the new myth back to the player, and their earlier, more complicated memories are overwritten.
Did you really tell them the truth? Anything else you want to tell them, one by one?
Tearing the god down does not restore the truth. The crowd simply swings from worship to blame, replacing one caricature with its opposite. The same gesture therefore creates the sacred image and destroys it. Bias has not been corrected. It has only changed direction.
Go on. See what they make of her now.
The ritual repeats as the family dies one by one, and each act uncovers another layer of Grace's death. Her father knew she did not want to donate. Her surgeon knew another liver might arrive. Her mother overruled Grace when she changed her mind. Each new truth is also compressed into another god.
What they're saying.
Player agency is deliberately removed across the final acts. Across the first 4 acts, from Act 0 through Act 3, the player performs every step by hand. In the 5th act, Act 4, the crowd tears the poster down without waiting for input. In the 6th act, Act 5, only Ava remains alive. One witness can produce only one unsupported trait, so the 2-trait ritual can no longer function. The system continues, but it is visibly hollow.
Choose what to remember her by. There's no one left to make a god of.
In the finale, Ava finally speaks. The camera closes on a face that was deliberately left blank, and the game turns its accusation toward the player. The person who still remembers the dead in all their contradictions is also the person who selected 2 words for each of them and erased the rest. Until They Forget is a critical, reflective, serious game built in Unity and refined through formative playtesting. It does not claim to cure bias. It asks what happens when awareness is not enough to make us stop,